Descript is a pretty sweet program that allows you to do a lot of different editing things, especially I think it's helpful for like new people getting into the editing game because it has a lot of features that are familiar with the workforce. I'm going to add a new folder and a new video. YouTube example. And in this folder, I'm going to add a new composition. What I'm going to do is I'm going to import a video that I recorded a little bit earlier and walk you through some of the favorite features that I have. So I'm going to import. It's super easy to import. Once you add the file, it will ask you if you want to transcribe it in English. It doesn't take very long for it to transcribe, but transcriptions have become very important to me in the work that I do. And so having the opportunity to transcribe a lot of content is very helpful and beneficial. My first favorite feature is that I can edit like a Word document. So you see it transcribes it. It looks like a Word document here. I have the video on this other side here, and I can literally read what I was saying. So that really helps because I messed up a lot and I even read out the script. So you can say, here's my favorite features. Okay, I messed up. Fine. So I can literally go and see where I actually did it right, which is all the way down here. I can highlight all of this here and just delete it because I know I messed up. I was recording myself, and now I don't have to deal with that. So let's undo that one and see how much time I cut off. It was at 2 minutes and 8 seconds, and then I deleted it, and now we have 1 minute and 13 seconds. So I saved myself some time being able to just delete that, what I didn't need. Okay, so editing like a Word document, I can literally take something right here. Let's say we started here. Here are my 5 favorite Descript. Okay, and I can take this at the very end, then right on over it. All right, and I can cut and paste this. I can cut it, copy it, or even cut it, and just press enter and paste it right there. And it's at the beginning now, just like a Word document. So that's something that I really enjoy. Editing like a Word document is a big plus for me because I can see all of my words, and I really enjoy that. So the next one is being able to add videos, GIFs, and everything like that. So right here inside of the platform, after I make any mistakes, so I'll just walk you through. So Word document as well. If I press this plus sign right here, I can press it and then shorten word gaps. If I make a mistake, it will shorten all the word gaps, and it took away all of my ums and dead pauses. And I can even go back through it. I don't have many filler words, thankfully, but any dead spaces have been deleted off of the particular timeline. So the next thing I really enjoy is my ability to be able to add different assets from right inside of the program. So I can press this button right here, and we see that we have videos, GIFs, images, and audio that we can add right inside of it. This video is about Descript, so I can type into videos right here, go here, and type in editing. And it will search for different editing things that I can put inside of this particular edit. So I can just grab this and place it on my timeline, and now I have some B-roll, which I can see and be able to move it around or cut it, make it longer or shorter, right? So I really enjoy that feature. We can also add things like GIFs, so actual GIFs where it's the whole video, or GIF stickers where there's a transparent background. So we can add this here, and this is to help break up the edit and find other things. Right now it's doing a looping effect, but I can come here and only do it once. You can even speed up or slow down the rate of which the GIF up. So this right here, 5 favorite. I can also clip this here and move it. So we go to layout, and I can move this over here, but then I can even slow it down. Maybe I want to go a little bit slower. Here are my 5 favorite Descript features. Editing video. Okay, great. Also, we have, again, much more. GIFs, images, audio. So after I've edited all this completely, I can continue to add other fun features and then add some music should I choose. And they have a nice wide range. I believe they're integrated with story blocks to be able to do that. Next thing is captions. I can go right here to the T and add captions. And in adding captions, it goes right here. And I can edit these however I want. I can move it around. I can customize them further. And these custom buttons has karaoke, classic, or clean. Karaoke will do the bouncing words, and you can see here that you can just change the color, but it will bounce with each statement. My favorite Descript feature. and they have a lot of them. You can continue to play around with those, but I love the fact that I have that opportunity to be able to have some nice clean captions on here. Another thing that they've done that I found very nice and interesting, eye contact. So if you look at the video here, I'm not looking at the camera on purpose because I wanted to show you all how they have incorporated another effect called eye contact. It's in beta, but typically what it does is it will add eye contact, and it will take my video, and where I wasn't looking, now it will allow me to look like I was looking in the camera. I was able to read off of a script that I had, and Descript literally does the rest. Look at the video I have here where I'm not looking, Word doc, and I'm literally reading. I'm not looking to edit the video at all. But now look what Descript did. Here are my 5 favorite Descript features. Edit video just like a Word document. I have the opportunity. It's crazy, but it works. I can even still blink. I was worried at first that I wouldn't be blinking and it would look a little bit more unnatural, but it did a really good job. Look, I'm really looking like my eyes are looking at that, so I really enjoy that particular feature. And my last one that I really like now is the Squadcast feature. It has allowed the remote recording. It works better with Chrome, which is fine. It's a good one to do. But anyway, yeah, you can just start a new session, and you can start your session right now, and you are able to come right into your showroom. You can change all of the information that you need, change the equipment. So I can change this to my microphone, I can change my camera, and be able to have a guest. I can join the session, put my name. What happens is if you have a guest or something like that, if you have any issues, it will record locally to your computer, and you can download it from the cloud. And it's just a really cool feature. It's very similar to other remote podcast systems, but I like this right here because it comes right with my Descript subscription, so I can cut cost in having multiple different programs. And let's just go and do a quick run through, and we'll join the session. Alright, so I can be here, invite people backstage. I can invite this way, copy the link to have a guest join me, but then I can also just take a picture, take a snapshot, share my screen, hide the camera. But if we press record, it starts recording right here. And one of the coolest things that it will allow me to do as well is be able to send this directly to Descript, so I can edit it immediately to Descript. So taking this, and especially if I have a guest, they also have a number of different cool features that I've seen as well, where it will allow the person that is speaking to pop up at the correct time without you having to edit that yourself. So we'll press stop. It's continuing to record or send it up to the cloud. And then let's see. If you have guests, just make sure they stick around and keep the browser open. They might not have to be on camera until it sends it to the cloud. And then you have the opportunity to send it right on up to be edited further. There we go, edit in Descript, boom. Edit in Descript. It's opening another window, fetching important data, signing with Google, right? Complete project and import files. Open on desktop. They also have a web version. Open Descript. It's transcribing a little bit of video that I recorded. Downloading the media. So all of this is being done for you. Downloading the video, transcribing the video, and we see the video that I just made is literally right here, which is great. Almost done 100% transcribing. And look at that, it's right here. So imagine if I had a guest and I could just have everything imported right here and continue to just edit in real time instead of having to download everything and then upload it and fix the audio and all this other stuff. So anyway, those are my 5 things. I'll say them one more time for you before I sign off here. But 5 things, 5 of my favorite features when it comes to Descript. Number 1 is editing like it's a Word document. Number 2 is all of the digital assets that they have right inside of it, so I can add video, GIFs, music, images. Number 3 is captions. I can edit nice captions and have them animated and colored any way that I want to. And number 4 is the eye contact feature. I can literally be reading off a script right here, and Descript will use its AI to make my eyes look like I'm looking at the video. And then number 5 is Squadcast, the remote recording feature that has been added to it to make my life a lot more easier. 1, edit like a Word document. 2, video assets and features. 3, captions. 4, eye contact. And 5, Squadcast. I hope y'all check it out. Outside of that, I'm trying to do more live tutorials, so if you have any suggestions, let me know. I'll be happy to walk through it for y'all. Take care.